How to log into Hancock Whitney Bank online banking. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or device. Navigate to a trusted search engine such as Google. In the search bar, type Whitney Bank and press Enter. From the search results, carefully select the official and verified website of Hancock Whitney Bank. If you are a new user, kindly click on Open an Account to begin the online banking registration process. For existing users, click on the Login option available on the homepage. On the Login page, please select your account type from the drop-down menu. Enter your user ID in the designated username field. Proceed by entering your password in the appropriate field. If you have not yet enrolled, click on Enroll Now to register for online banking services. Should you experience any login difficulties, click on Can't Login for assistance. Once all the required information is entered, click on View Your Account to securely access your online banking dashboard.